So, dear students, in the last class we have seen the linear search, and now we will see the binary search. How we can search any element by using the binary search technique. So, binary search. So, Python implementation. Of method. So first of all we have to define the function definition. DEF binary search and in the parameter of the function we have to pass three things. One, array. Second, size of array. And third, the search key. So suppose array is a and size is n and the item to be searched is key. ठीक है. Now in the body of the function we have to set the beginning location as 0 and end location as n minus 1. So bag is equal to 0 and end is equal to n minus 1, and find the mid is equal to bag plus end upon 2. mid निकल आया. Now check the condition by using the while loop. While same procedure will be followed as I said in the last class. While bag is less than end and a mid is not equal to key. A mid is not equal to key. If this condition is satisfied, then the program will transfer to the body of the loop and again check a condition. If key is less than a mid, then end is equal to mid minus 1, end is equal to mid minus 1, else bag is equal to mid plus 1, and again find out a new mid, that is यहाँ से इस इंडेंट से होगा कि mid is equal to bag plus end upon 2. ठीक है. मतलब कहने का ये है कि दिस मिड वैल्यू विल बी कैलकुलेटेड इन द बॉडी ऑफ द लूप, नॉट इन द बॉडी ऑफ द एल्स. ठीक है. नाउ अगेन चेक अ कंडीशन दैट इफ, अब लूप की बॉडी से बाहर निकल जाएंगे हम लोग और इसके साथ में चेक करेंगे कि इफ bag is greater than end, then return -1 else return mid। ठीक है, एकदम सेम प्रोसीजर फॉलो किया है जैसा कि मैंने कल क्वेश्चन में बताया था। कल जब मैंने इसके स्टेप्स बताए थे तो उसी तरह से एकदम उन्हीं स्टेप्स को फॉलो किया है। अब ड्राइवर प्रोग्राम किस तरह से लिखा जाएगा, सपोज़ अब यहाँ पर हम लिख रहे हैं ड्राइवर प्रोग्राम। Here I am writing the driver program। यहाँ से कमेंट दे दिया मैंने एक ड्राइवर प्रोग्राम। First of all we have to create an empty list। So empty list, suppose A is equal to, this is empty list, and now we have to give the size of array। Suppose size of array is n, so n is equal to integer input enter the size of array। Now we have to give the elements of the array। Again we use a print statement, print enter the elements, and elements n is equal to integer input। ठीक है, नम में मैंने एलिमेंट इनपुट करा लिया, एंड नाउ वी यूज द स्टेटमेंट एंटर द एलिमेंट्स। एक छोटी सी गलती हो गई है। गलती क्या है कि यहाँ पे लूप चला करके एलिमेंट इंसर्ट कराना पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ मिटा के ही मैं कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा सा मिटा दे रहा हूँ। इस लाइन को मिटा के एक लूप जनरेट करना होगा, क्योंकि हमको n नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इंसर्ट कराने हैं ना। तो ऐसे केस में हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया कि फॉर I in range n, एंड यहाँ पर हम लोग लिखेंगे num is equal to integer input। ठीक है, एंड नाउ a dot append num। whatever value is supplied, we have stored that value into a variable num, and then the value which is stored in the variable num is appended in the list A, array A। Now what will be next? List has been declared, size has supplied, elements have supplied। Now enter the search key। So again we use a print statement, print enter the search key। enter the search key, and search key is equal to integer input। now search key will also supplied। then after we call the function. And here I am using a variable index. Index is equal to, अब इस फंक्शन को इस इंडेक्स के बराबर कर दीजिए. बाइनरी सर्च. Now actual parameter. अब here the informal parameter we have used the capital A, but in the driver program we have used the small a. So here in the actual parameter we have to use the small a, because we use small a as a variable to declare the list. So a, n and key. Whatever value is returned by this function named binary search is stored in the index. Now consider about the binary search. Then after executing the function definition, after executing the procedure, this function will return either -1 or return the mid location. And whatever value is returned by this function is stored in index, either mid or -1. -1 represents that element does not exist in the array, and mid is a location on which element exists in the array. Element means the search item which is to be searched. So again check a condition. If index is double equal to -1, then print the statement error message, usually element not found. Else print element found on या ऐड कर सकते हैं on index. This will be printed as a message, and now we are going to print the value of index, that is index. That's all. This program is completed. From where the program will be executed? From this point. First of all, the list will be declared. Then after you have to, or the user will have to give the value of the n, that is the size of array. After that, user will give the elements of the array. Then after, user will give the item to be searched. After that, function call statement will be used, and finally we declare the result, whether the item is exist in the array or item not found. So this is the complete program of binary search. Remember, binary search is used when array is sorted, either in ascending or in descending. But in linear search there is no such type of precondition is required. Array can be sorted or unsorted. So this is all about the binary search. Now we will switch over to our next topic, that is sorting. So